In this video, we are going to see the PHP loops. In the control statements, we are having the branches and loops. Under the loops, we are going to see the determinate and indeterminate loops. Under the heading of indeterminate, we will have the while and do while statements. Just like other language, it is for the, if the iteration is not fixed, then we will go for a while or do while. While is a entry level checking, do while is a exit level checking, that we know. So while statement, general format is while the condition is true, this will be executing. So it is called entry level. During entering itself, we are just checking the condition. You can try. This will be working for 5 times. I is declared as 1. If it is condition is I, if it is less than 6, it will be executing for 6 times, 5 times. We have giving a increment value I plus plus. I have made it as 10. It will be executing up to 9 times. Next one is do while. Do while is based, we are doing something. Then after that, we are checking the condition. The same example is given. I have declared as I. I'm just printing the I. Then I am incrementing. After that, I am just checking the condition. Okay. If the condition is, it is first time it will come to 1, then now the I is less than 6, so it is again and again it's printing. This is for the iteration is not fixed, so we are going for the do while. So what you got to remember is the loops. There are 2 indeterminate loops. One is while, another is a do while. While is a entry level checking. Do while is a exit level checking. Another thing you have to remember is the while you are not supposed to use the semicolon, but in do while, after the while condition, you have to use a semicolon. This is the thing you have to remember when you are using do while and while do. In the next video, we can see the for loop.